little sweeties here. How's that? Oh shit. Got a little goosey woosey, you know. Let me see that. Come here. Look at it. Come on, man. Crazy little guy. This look like sweet here. Well, I was out mowing the grass and I got up in this tall patch of grass and pulled it out and I heard this eek, 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 eek. You know, look, these little balls roll around. I thought they were rats, but they're not. These little sweet little rats. Oh. Hey there. Hey there, little fella. Tiny little bastards. They're sweet. They're cool. I like fellas. Let's see this. Oh shit, that's the one that makes noises.